market recap for Friday, October 18th. Thursday was cattle auction day at the New Cambria Livestock Market. They had 905 head this week. Nice offering of feeder cattle, weaned and unweaned calves under 500 pounds. Higher undertone compared to light test from 2 weeks ago. Heavier weights traded with a firm to higher undertone on few comparisons. Feeder steers, mid and large ones, 5 to 6 weights 280 to 297, 6 to 7 weights 257.50 to 289.25. The 7-8 weights 249 to 260, 8 to 50 pounds 252 to 255 and a quarter. Feeder heifers, mid and large ones, 4 to 450 pounds 280 to 320, 5 to 6 weights 250 to 271, and the 6 to 7 weights 249.5 to 259.5. Daily box beef cutout values. Choice cuts valued for this afternoon at $320.65, up $1.39. Select cuts closed at $294.20, up 68 cents. That's based off of 126 total loads, 84 of choice, 22 of select, 6 of trimmings, and 15 loads of grinds. That choice select spread at $26.45. Afternoon slaughter cattle review. For Friday in the Southern Plains, negotiated cash trade has been slow on light demand. On Thursday in the Southern Plains, live FOB purchases trade at $188. In Nebraska and the Western Corn Belt, negotiated cash trade slow on light demand. On Thursday in Nebraska and the Western Corn Belt, live purchases from $187 to $188 with addressed at $296. Afternoon hog report for Friday. Nationwide head count for the barrels and gilts, just under 1,500 head from 69 to 76. Weighted average 72.05, down 410 from the previous report. Looking at the closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade, corn contracts, December 404 3/4, down 2 cents. December 419 down 2 1/4. May 426.5 down 2 1/4. November soybeans down 18 3/4 at 970. January down 15 1/4 at 982 3/4, and March down 13.5 at 996 1/4. December wheat 572 3/4, down 16 3/4. March 592.5 down 17, and May 603.5 down 17 cents. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle. October up $1 at 187.62. December up 115 at 187.32. February up 115 at 188.12. Feeder cattle contracts, October 248.32 up 160, November 247.60 up 185, and January 245.50 up 237. Lean hogs, December 77.82 up 15, February 81.85 up 30, and April 85.62 up 50 cents. Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers. The daily trends for Friday: soybeans 17 to 24 lower, wheat 17 lower, corn 7 lower to 2 higher. Corn bids in St. Louis at 407, Kansas City 360 to 365, Milo in St. Louis at 465. Soybeans in St. Louis 990, Kansas City 905 to 960. Wheat bids in St. Louis at 483 to 533. Estimated livestock slaughter for Friday. Estimated cattle receipts at 106,000, steady with a week ago and 11,000 less than a year ago. The week today estimate for the week 608,000. Estimated hog receipts for Friday 481,000, 3,000 less than last week, steady with a year ago. The week to date estimate 2,613,000. That's your market recap for Friday with the Missouri Department of Agriculture. This is Caroline Carter.